Hey, what's up guys, TechTine here, and I am back again with a brand new video. So before I begin this video, as always, I want to thank you all so much for watching this one. If you enjoy my content, you know what to do. Just go ahead and leave a like, and also make sure you're subscribed to the channel if you haven't already. And also check out previous videos. Okay, so in this video, we're going to be unboxing the LG Aristo 5. So the LG Aristo 5 is the successor to the LG Aristo 4 Plus, and let's see what this is all about. So on the front, you can just get your box, just a plain box, really plain box, a white box with the Aristo 5 in red, and that's pretty much it. On the bottom of the box, you have some LG stamping, and on the back, a lot of writing that means nothing to me really. And yeah, let's just go ahead and unbox it. So after we take that little piece of tape off, just open the box up, and we get greeted with the phone itself. We're going to take it out, and here's how it looks like. So it looks pretty compact, and we're just going to put it to the side and look at what else we get in the box. So in the box we have our SIM card, and we also get welcome start guide, and we also have the wall adapter, which doesn't seem like it's gonna support fast charging, so there's that for you. And also the most disappointing part about the whole phone, which is the ancient micro USB. Okay, so I just set up the phone and everything is complete. Let's walk through the design. So the back is made entirely out of plastic. However, it's really compact, and the sides are kind of bent for a better grip. And overall, you get your LG logo, you get a dual camera with a flash, a fingerprint sensor. And let's go ahead and even dig deeper into the design of the phone. So the front houses your front-facing display, which is a sub 720p panel, so a little bit higher than 720p. And as far as the quality goes itself, it is an IPS panel, so no AMOLED or anything crazy like that. But quality-wise, this display is definitely really good. It's sharp enough because of its size, and just overall the color looks nice, and it's just definitely a quality display for a phone that is in the low budget category. And the front, you also get your front facing selfie camera, as well as your earpiece, which is at the top. So it is a drop, kind of a teardrop notch display, which is a trend now, I guess. And yeah, I'm gonna be talking about the camera in a little bit too. So the dual camera lens has a 13 megapixel rear facing camera, which is standard, and you also get a 5 megapixel wide angle lens, as well as your LED flash. And I will be talking a little bit more in depth, just like I will with the front facing camera. Alright, so as far as the bottom goes, you will have your speaker, your 3.5mm headphone jack, a microphone, as well as an ancient micro USB, which is really disappointing. I mean, it's 2020, we're in mid 2020 actually, thank God, and we get a micro USB. I don't know, it doesn't make sense with the way the phone is designed, but I'll save that for the full review. On the right hand side, you have your power button, and on the left hand side, you have your volume up and down, and you also get an additional button for Google Assistant. So they can add additional buttons, they just cannot get rid of that micro USB. LG's design team for this phone, you guys don't make sense. Okay, so as far as specs go, this phone has 32 gigabytes of storage, a MediaTek chip, and as far as everything else, I mean, it kind of runs fast, so opening up apps and closing them is decently quick. It's not going to be the greatest, and I bet the GPU is not meant to handle any heavy games. But yeah, that's just a quick overview of the specs. So nothing crazy, nothing fast. It should play videos fine. So as far as the camera goes, like I said, you have a wide angle lens and a standard lens. And taking pictures and things like that, the camera app, first of all, is simplistic, and the phone is really quick at taking pictures. So snap and shoot, and boom, picture taken. And as far as quality goes, I can't really make judgment off of just one picture, but it seems like when you give it enough light, it's sharp, and it keeps the color together. And the camera sits perfectly flush, so this phone should not be rocking back and forth on a flat surface, and I give LG props for that. I like that. Okay, so as far as the speaker goes, this speaker gets decently loud, and I'll let you guys listen to it, and I'll come back with some final words. Okay, so a decent speaker, and just the overall as a phone, this is compact and I like it. I really do. The size of it just makes it a kind of a perfect sized phone to just carry everywhere. And yeah, positive first impressions other than the fact that it has a micro USB, which we'll talk about it in the full review. So with that being said, I want to thank you all so much for watching this one. If you enjoy my content, leave a thumbs up, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.